Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to send a PowerPoint file in Messenger in just a few quick steps. I'll be showing this on desktop. First, log into facebook.com. At the top right of the screen, you'll see the Messenger icon in the menu bar. Click on it. Once the Messenger window opens, select the contact you want to send the file to. If you're starting a new conversation, find their name and click to open the chat window. Now, at the bottom of the chat window, look for the plus icon. Click on it to open the More Actions menu. You'll see several options appear. Click on the paperclip icon. That's your file attachment option. This will open your computer's file browser. In the file browser, navigate to where your PowerPoint file is saved on your computer. Click on the file to select it, then click Open. The file will now appear in your message field, but it hasn't been sent yet. If you need to select multiple files at once, hold down Control on your keyboard while clicking each file. To send the file, click the Send button on the right side of the message field. It looks like an arrow. You can also just press Enter on your keyboard. The file will start uploading. This might take a few seconds depending on the file size and your internet speed. Once it's uploaded, it'll appear in your conversation thread and your recipient can click it to view or download it. Quick tip, if you want to skip those steps, you can also just drag and drop your PowerPoint file directly into the chat window and it'll attach automatically. Keep in mind that files need to be 25 megabytes or smaller. And if you attach a file by mistake and haven't sent it yet, just hover your mouse over it and click the small X button to remove it before sending. If you ever need to send that same file to someone else, just hover over it in the chat, click the 3 dot more button, select Forward, and choose who you want to send it to. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.